Every day, millions of people go on Reddit and beg for a product that doesn't exist yet. You know you want to build something. You know AI is changing everything. But you're stuck on the hardest question. What should I actually build?
PainSignal.AI scans millions of Reddit conversations on it, finds the real frustrations, validates the demand, and hands you a ready-to-build sauce idea.
And you don't build it alone. Thousands of builders are already finding their signal. Ideas are being claimed. Teams are being formed.
Stop wondering what to build. Find your signal.